Well, it's dark and overcast outside, so got a little time. I figured I'd just show you really quickly a portable solar panel setup that just arrived. So let me open it up, show it to you, and talk about it maybe a minute or two. I don't want to take up too much time. I often make these videos a little too long, so let's go ahead and look at it. All right, this is a 100-watt portable folding solar panel. Um, and I've had a couple of these before. This is the first one that has actually a case. The others were just like soft-sided. So first off, as I said, it's got its own case, which is kind of a hard, not sure what this material is. I mean, it feels like a nylon or some sort of hard material. On the inside it's kind of a softer, but it's still a good solid case. Zips up all the way around with an opening on the top for your handle. So we'll just set that aside. And then this is the solar panel. As you can see, it's got the solar panel on the outside, and there's one here and then one on this side. Has a handle that's got a kind of a rubbery grip on it, but it's also spring loaded, so it stays down when you're not using it like that. Two latches on each side, and then we'll just open it up. Let me just pull what's inside here out. It looks like a dear customer kind of information about it, some links and things like that. Then a little installation type manual with some screws down at the bottom. It looks like screws and bolts. Probably information how to set it up. And let's just open up the back real quick. Okay. So you've got some information about the panels right here. You've got the two boxes here that connect to the solar cells or solar panels on the other side, and then they connect to each other. And then they come from one of them, it comes out to your MC4 connectors. And each corner has looks like a plastic protection on each corner. There's a metal plate right here that's on a hinge. Feels like it might be Velcroed to stay down when you're not using it. You can buy it like I did without the charge controller. It's a little less, of course. I already had a charge controller from an older portable solar panel, same company, and from what I could tell, it'll fit right up in here. I'll be able to mount it right on here, and then I'll be able to use that to connect to the solar panel. And then it's got different connections. Right now it's got ones for connecting it just straight to a battery, but there are other connections. I can plug it into my my fridge, portable fridge, to charge it, which is made by the same company, or into a power box or something that I want to charge up. So I'll be mounting this again right here and hooking it up, and that just saves a little money since I already had it. I assume you can, if you have other types of charge controllers, you can plug them into this and use them instead of from this company. So from what I can tell, when it's open like this, I don't see anything that'll lock it open like that. They do on the, it does come with these legs, and they are aluminum, so they seem pretty solid. You can adjust them, the two on each side. So let's go ahead and turn it around, give you a look on the other side. So each panel is 50 watts, so you got 100 watts total, and it's all black, and looks like it's a pretty good panels. I don't know who makes them. Let me see if it shows on the label. So let's just turn it back around. Sometimes the company, whoever makes the actual solar panels or solar cells, will have their name on this little sticker. It's got the name of the company that I bought this from, but let's see if they show who manufactures it. HY PTP 100 watt, and I don't see any other company who makes it. 250 watt, peak circuit 21.3 volts, max power 17.8 volts. Let's see. Yeah, they don't give the name of the company on these, but I do know that this company that I bought it from, they stand behind their products. I've got a solar fridge freezer from them that I've had it for years, and I've never had any problems with it. I've got it set up right now here in the trailer just to use as a freezer, since I've got a fridge, a full-size fridge for everything else. But yeah, that's it. Again, I expect to get plenty of years of use out of this, charging products and items while I'm out on the road. Let's just pull it this way. Out camping, out working, things like that. And good solid metal latches, good handle, and then a nice, as I already showed you, protective case, which just slide it in. Has lots of room actually in this case. And then zipper on each side, and then on the top, the place where you can reach in and grab the handle. And like I said, the case is a little loose, so you could almost put foam kind of on the top or around the sides to give it a little more protection if you wanted. But I'm usually pretty careful with my gear. So they do have information on it, but this is the company, and I ordered this one off of Amazon at a really good price. And hope this is a helpful video.